Hello, guys. I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, is crypto dead? Now, a lot of people are coming out and saying that crypto is a gone story now, like it is dead. We already said that it's a scam, it's a Ponzi scheme, do not stay near it. And now you see all the people's money has been lost. The FTX exchange, like the people's currency at the exchange, has like people have literally gone broke. Some of the people, right? We had a Luna collapse, we had Three Arrows Capital collapse, we had the Celsius collapse this year, and then the BlockFi stopped the withdrawal, and then FTX, one of the biggest collapse out there that has happened. And Bitcoin is sitting right now at approximately $16,500. And a lot of crypto skeptics, the Bitcoin skeptics, have now come out in open and they are literally saying, see, we all said that, and now it is proven that it's dead. So I wanted to discuss some of the points so that next time, probably to tell you I too face it. Like within your own family, you might be facing, my dad sending me the screenshot of the FTX collapse, some people's money lost, and normally anyone whom you meet outside, they will be like, okay, it's a Ponzi scheme, the crypto thing, because right now the bubble has burst, right? Here's the thing I wanted to talk about. First of all, in a sense, this is right when we are talking so many cryptocurrencies out there and people are launching here and there, and a lot of them are without any utilities. It is just for like great marketing and stuff, and then expecting people to put in money. So it's more of like venture capitalists or initial founder just dumping it onto the retail. So more than 90% of the projects most likely will not survive. We are talking in the next 5 years, 5 to 6 years, 90% of the projects will not survive. And this is not just a crypto related story. This is related with any financial market story. You take the example of the dot-com bubble. What happened? Everything collapsed. Amazon fell like probably 90% down at that time. Just imagine a company like Amazon, whose founder became later on like one of the richest man on the planet. It collapsed 90% during that time, and 90 plus percent, and a lot of like stocks, a lot of those newly launched the dot-com companies, literally just crashed like 95 to 98 to 99%. Let me tell you, after that, more than 95%, 90 to 95% of the companies never survived. They never went through. That means they just went dead. Out of these chaos, the strongest of the projects rise. And that is the reason we need to be investing into the projects that really have a great fundamental and great usage. Now that is from the skepticism point of view. Now coming on to whether actually crypto is dead. In my belief, like the crypto is actually going to be the future and the huge amount of utility. The whole world is eventually going to use the crypto. I'm not just talking about buying and selling of the coins. Let's say the entire world says, okay, we are not going to buy and sell the cryptocurrency. We are not interested in Polygon. We are not interested in Ethereum. We're not interested in Bitcoin. Definitely the price is going to fall like crazy at that time. But the NFT utility, for example, we are heading towards a virtual world, right? The Web3 world. The NFTs are being adopted massively. What kind of adoption are we talking about? The artists from the Ukraine are making day-to-day living by selling the NFTs onto the marketplace, right? Do you think that there is a backtracking to that? Somebody is making a living, like a whole bunch of people throughout the world making a living from the back of their computer. They are creating the art and selling it, and the other person is buying it. Why? Because at one point probably they might want to help, or probably they like the NFT, they like the art. Having said that, the governments, the Japanese, they came in news that the Japanese government actually was awarded in the form of NFT to its employees, like some of the government officials, based on the reward. Just imagine government giving out in the form of NFTs, right? Giving out the rewards in the form of NFTs. The countries, some of the countries, like for example, Dubai is forming a metaverse city, right? Interpol has entered. Interpol is the international police, and basically they have entered the metaverse. They have done the entire setup for the metaverse to track the crimes within the metaverse, right? Facebook obviously turned into Meta. They have faced a huge loss. They are going to pour in billions and billions of dollars to create this Meta thing. Now let me tell you, let's say, again assuming the point, everybody wants to stop, I don't want to buy any of the crypto, but then can you do this NFT thing without the crypto? I mean, when we are talking, the Instagram will be launching the NFT thing, that means a billion users will be having access to the NFT. Like, they will be given the toolkit. How a normal user who never knew about the cryptocurrency, they actually will be able to create the NFT and put it for sale. Just imagine billion users slowly and steadily getting into the habit of transaction. We are talking billions of transactions happening in a single day or probably in a single week. And they have partnered with Polygon. Why? Because the reason is it cannot be done without the blockchain. Can you do it? I mean, so many thousands and thousands of decentralized apps and smart contracts have been built onto Ethereum. Can you do it without Ethereum? The answer would be no. Let me tell you guys. Let's move on from Polygon and Ethereum. Let's say there is a gaming token. There is a gaming Illuvium is going to be launched, and it is going to be one of the best quality games, like AAA games, and people are really looking forward for it once it launches. Now, once it launches, can you do it? Like, can you do everything without dealing with the crypto side of it? The Illuvium itself is the ILV token. You need to have the cryptos to do the transactions. To once you get the rewards, you'll be getting in the form of ILV tokens. You'll be purchasing things with ILV tokens and the Ethereum tokens, right? The world will have to deal with the crypto, and I'm talking about the best quality crypto. A lot of crypto projects, again I will repeat, will not survive. So it is not defending the entire crypto sector. A lot of bad sheeps are out there. A lot of futile tokens are out there. So this is for us to decide, and for us to really figure out whether a token is good enough or not, whether things are a little bit sketchy or probably it's not useful, right? But a token which is a game changer, literally the mass users, people cannot help but they have to buy those coins in order to get through the transactions within the ecosystem. For example, let's say if I don't like US dollar, right? Because I have a XYZ problem. I'm talking about the inflation and stuff. Can I go and live within the US without having to deal with the US dollar? Every transaction that I need to do will be happening with the US dollar. I cannot help but have to buy it. So when the world is adopting to this ecosystem, the NFTs are being adopted, the metaverse is going to be adopted, and the metaverse will be consisting of the entire NFT thing. You cannot help but you have to deal with the cryptocurrencies. And that is the biggest utility. That is the reason the price will be surging in the future. That is the reason we are talking the bull market is going to be coming. A lot of changes might be coming. A lot of regulations might be coming, right? But crypto is here to stay. And this is what your argument is, guys. You want to talk to someone regarding the crypto, and within all that chaos that has happened, one of the lessons, risk management is one of the most important things. And just go for the quality projects, and risk management is far more important than just waiting for the upside, just investing things for the upside, just trying to see the upside, right? You need to be taking care of how much downside can you reduce. That's when you will be making the ultimate gains. So that was the only message of this particular video, guys. I hope that you liked it. I would like to know your input. Like, please do comment down below. What is your take about the cryptocurrencies, about mass adoption, everything that is happening? Where are we heading towards? Despite all that negative macro environment, it'll be really cool to know your take onto this. Smash the like button and please do subscribe to our channel if you have not already. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. So till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way. You sign up, you deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.